G'day guys and welcome back, and we have another little customer project here. This is a Stihl 010 AV. These are just a little kind of homeowner saw. I believe these were made for quite some time. They're by no means a new saw and by no means a super old saw either. But this came in, I know pretty much nothing about it, so I'm going to start by taking this air filter cover off. We'll get some fuel down the intake and see if the light's off. I can already tell, or I already have, I should say, bought an AV rubber kit for this, because you can see there those rubbers are pretty toast. These ones up here aren't too bad, but as always the one down there is gone. And we'll replace those hopefully. Compression seems good, and the saw doesn't seem overly beat around. So yeah, this bar is in pretty good shape, nearly new by the looks in all honesty, and the chain is definitely new, but it does need a little bit of a sharpen, so we'll do that when we get to it. Yeah, we'll give this a little spray and we can go from there, I guess. Let's turn it over, this air filter, and see how much work it's done. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. These fuel lines are good by the seams. So yeah, we'll give it a go. that's another little project done. Thankfully that didn't take too long. Seems to run pretty well, cut fine. It's a customer project, so they'll be coming to pick that up and it'll be heading off shortly, hopefully. But there is definitely heaps more here to keep me busy in the meantime. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.